to kind of go back to the custom development, what we've realized is that um, an ideal world, they would give us a product requirement. But then when they say, hey, we need AI, and we're saying, where's your product requirement? Then it's just a blank look. Like, well, what do you mean? I don't even really know what AI really is, much less do I know what a product requirement will look like. All I do know is we need to implement this in our business. That's as far as most people get. And then, I mean, people do have ideas, but then those are typically them completely misunderstanding the tech stack, or they don't fully know the capability, or they underestimate the capabilities, or they're just trying to throw AI on top of whatever they
Right.
want. And that's not quite the answer. So we've dialed back a little bit more. And we early on, we move a little bit into like a consultant role, quickly getting to pilot programs quickly. Because before they'll really understand, we got to get it in their hand, but we have to act as a consultant because we have to go in and do what I used this term earlier is workflow discovery. So we do workflow discovery with them. So we have to go in and start understanding their organizations, their information flows, their workflows, and understand that. Now, the nice thing is this is where human first AI can kind of come in a little bit because when we go and you start looking at these workflows, there's a major human element there, mostly a human element that exists. And there's somebody there that is an SME, a subject matter expert that really understands that. And you still have to have that person figure out that really intimately understands that workflow. I mean, and you still need that person. Now, the other thing too, why we do that workflow discovery is because most of these enterprises are not trying to disrupt these workflows. They're like a cash cow for them. It's a proven working model, and all they want to do is preserve that inside the AI and the AI space. So we come in and we take those steps, but we try not to stay at that consultant level. But we try to quickly get to pilot programs as fast as we can. And then that's the first steps that we usually take as organizations.